And these are issues we're going to dig into, and it is, as I was saying, really important. And so we're going to make the most of Sumit just now, because you've been watching this space extremely closely, obviously, and you've got a lot to compare when you look around the world. So what are some of the key lessons you have drawn when you look at cloud adoption now in this region? What needs to take place to ensure that the adoption goes smart as opposed to chaos?
Yeah. Firstly, a couple of data points. Today is VMware's 25th anniversary as a company, as well as 10 years in the region. So
it's an important day.
Yes, it is. It is an amazing day. Now, during the last 10 years in the region, or 25 years in the history of the company, we have been able to build some amazing technology foundations for our customers so that they can innovate faster. And what we have found is that innovation is coming in now at this point of time across a range of solutions enabled through public cloud, okay? And what we are seeing globally, that while customers know that public cloud provides amazing services and rapid pace of innovation, and that's absolutely true, the problem ends up becoming that operating that environment and connecting that back to some critical services that are running in private cloud is not easy.
Yep.
And this is what we call, when we speak with customers, cloud chaos. Cloud chaos as in, we adopted public cloud quickly without planning how we are going to operate an environment that now consists of multiple cloud, private cloud, one or more public cloud, which happens to be the case at this point in time for our global customers in the enterprise and public sector to be a very, very, very large percentage. I'm talking about more than 60 to 70% of our global customers, and almost 50% of customers in the region envision or already have more than one public cloud. Now, when you have that environment, if you don't design it well, when you're starting to adopt public cloud, you are in a state which is what we call cloud chaos, where the very reason why you adopted public cloud is not getting achieved. You're no longer going faster. You're no longer adopting new innovation faster. You, in fact, slowed down through the operating complexity as well as chaos, or due to just skill sets that are needed in operating that environment just not there. So there is a better way, as we sort of have brought forward through our technologies, our solutions, our services, is to adopt public cloud where you can run the right application on the right cloud through what we call Cloud Smart.
Yeah.
A set of technologies that provide that operational consistency in running any application on any cloud the smarter way, in a consistent way. And that's what VMware enables our customers to do.